This is another day in the life of an entrepreneur. Today, I'm going to take you around all my different businesses. So this over here is the Rossi pop-up. This is Twizzletops, which is a day nursery that we bought. Inside here, the ice cream factory, big distribution for all of our teddy bears and toy business, and show you exactly what I'm getting up to. And I'm going to spot check some of the businesses, see if we can improve things. And someone coming to collect all that rubbish. Drive revenues up, drive profitability and drive efficiencies. So they're going to knock this wall out as well to open it up. I think you're going to like this video. Let's go. So here we are at Marsh Farm. This is where I'm mainly based, between here and Rossi Ice Cream. That's one of our other big businesses. We built a beach. I showed you in earlier videos the building of this beach, where it's now completed. Children are playing in there, families are really enjoying it. So it's a big project over the line. It's about £200,000 investment, and we're still investing across all of our businesses. You can see some of that now. So this over here is the Rossi pop-up market stores that we do. We do about 20 to 50 different events and markets per week. And the reason I wanted to buy this business is to give us more additional revenue over the shoulder periods, because the ice cream makes loads of money in the summer, like on a glorious day today, but not so much in the winter. It allows us to broaden our product range. And the reason I want to be on high streets like this is so that when we get a physical shop, we have built the customer base by doing that direct marketing to people that are on the sides of the streets. That's what we do. Let's go and have a look at the products. Hey, Jem.
Hi, James. How are you?
Yeah, really good. Oh, you had a busy day, haven't you?
Very busy day.
Oh, looks nice.
Thank
Yeah.
you. It did look better this morning when it was full.
What's the best sellers?
I've already sold out of them. Spinach and feta.
These haven't been going well.
Not really, no.
Is it because it's at the back, you think, or
I don't know, because I always try and keep the nuts all together.
is this the first time you've been at this one?
This is my second weekend.
You like it here?
Really nice.
Fruit's good. And the big challenge with this type of a business is for someone that runs lots of day nurseries, highly regulated businesses, zoos and visitor attractions, they're much higher barrier to entry. This is quite low barrier to entry. Now, what makes it higher barrier to entry is having a brand like Rossi that's 100 years old. But this is all going to be set up and put down every day. I hate that type of thing. So I want to get a van, a bit like that grey one over there, that is just a bit more professional, so that it's easier for our teams. And crucially, remember that the reason we're doing this is to market the business. This is allowing us to meet passer-by potential customers that will then go into our stores. And what we use this is to get wholesale customers just being told by Gemma there that there's a restaurant that buys regularly from us now. And this being on the high street is allowing us to generate leads. So yes, it's profitable, but really, this is marketing. Gem, you're doing a fantastic job, darling. Can you chase Mario for uniform for me and say Jim said, help me with uniform? Yeah, there's loads in the factory.
No worries.
Just visiting business number 3 of many today. This is Twizzletops, which is a day nursery that we bought around about 6 or 7 months ago here in sunny Southend-on-Sea, which just got city status, which is also the home of Rossi Ice Cream. And we bought the freehold of this site. It's got a brilliant garden, and I was attracted to it because I don't know if you can see around me, there are chimney pots everywhere. We put a new management team in. We're starting to put the Twizzletops branding in. So we're rebranding it, re-energising the team, putting our systems and processes on place. And this was our 9th day nursery. I bought another one in London a couple of weeks before I bought this one. And I've got about 4 in the pipeline, which I'll let you know about on future YouTube videos. And why I like these businesses, good strong residual income, i.e. you get the same sort of cash every single month, and it's regulated. I do like a regulated business. It means that Ofsted govern the staff ratios, the systems and the processes. We've got a framework that we operate to, like an accountant, like a solicitors, like a dentist. The business that we just went and saw in Rayleigh, that market store thing, not regulated at all. And so what I try and do is make all my businesses as regulated as possible. So think about McDonald's franchise business. They're so regulated, and that's why that business is worth so much money. And so I want to take all the experience we've got in running our regulated businesses and try and put those strict systems and processes in our unregulated businesses. There's a little bit of content for you there. Right, let's go and meet the team inside. To chat to what we're doing here is when we bought the nursery, you see some of the decor here. And there's carpet on the wall, and we've got to replace all this stuff. So are they going to knock this wall out as well to open it up?
I think that's a long-term plan, yeah.
Do our own printing. Did you know that? Yeah. So he takes the mick out of me. Because everywhere I go, I tell everyone we do it ourselves. They look good though, don't they?
They do, yeah.
How are the team? Excited?
Good. Really excited.
And they're all okay upstairs? I'll go quick
good.
say
Go
hello.
and have a little look, yeah.
Can't wait to decorate all this. Hi gang. Hello. Hey, you love, you all right? Yeah. Good to see you. Hi, darling.
Hello.
Yeah, and just popping in, seeing everyone, saying hello. And how's your team?
Good. Really good spirits. Yeah.
Are you
really
short-staffed or are you all...
No. I've just employed some new staff. That's our climate frame will be done as well.
Yeah, let's go and have a look. I saw did our central maintenance team do that, or
Yeah,
Gavin?
Gavin done that one.
And someone coming to collect all that rubbish. Well, it was a lovely little visit, thank you.
You're welcome.
I'm really inspired by that little visit there, because that's a team that's super motivated with all the changes that we've put in place. Sometimes when we take over businesses, half the team really pro the change, really pro our revolution of how we want to systemise and process a business. And we had some challenges with some things here when we took this business over, like most businesses we take over. But this team now are all really want to progress, they want to be promoted, they want to grow with us, and they're loving that they can actually see equipment arriving. Like, we've done loads of repairs. We're a business that invests a lot in maintenance. We've got our own electricians, got our own central maintenance team, and then what we've done for our day nurseries is just employed a guy called Gavin, who now just does maintenance for our nurseries, so all those little bits get done. And I like visiting, because you see, like that rubbish over there, we'll put that in shot. Like, I don't want that ever, and I think these spot check visits, I just said to the team, that cannot carry on, like they're the sort of what I think of as broken windows that if you don't address, you just get another broken window. Before you know it, a big windstorm's coming into the business. And so I want to address those things straight away, and seeing all the improvements to the maintenance bits and the new signage. Mamma mia. Talking of day nurseries, I got sent a few weeks ago another freehold day nursery opportunity. Very different deal to this one, but I want to show you around right now to see if it's a good deal for us. Let's go and have a look. It's a great location, loads of chimney pots. This is in London. It's a freehold, so it's a property that we could own, but it's only a 42 space day nursery. And really, nurseries get profitable from 60 spaces up. The sweet spot is really 70, 80, 90 spaces. You got that, you can really get economies of scale on your senior management team and your overhead costs. But we do like a freehold. If you watch the YouTube channel, you know we like a freehold. And I'm just thinking, could you extend out there? I think it was registered for 42 or 46 spaces before. So we only need to find space to get it up to 60. And because this is closed, you're only buying the property, so it's all fitted out for a nursery, so you'll easily get it over the line. It'd be easy to fit it up because it's in. This is like East London. There's thousands, tens of thousands, millions of people that live around here, and it's right near a train station. So tick, tick, tick. It's just trying to work out if we can get the space to make it profitable. Katie, if you, on this side here, if you came out here, so that all that space, what would that give you?
For what age group? Babies?
Well, whatever, it's just... You know that building at the back? I noticed some part of the back, is that belong to someone else? It's difficult because you want everything to stack up, like location, fantastic. Space just not quite good enough, but there is definitely opportunities to build and do all that stuff. I suppose part of me thinks just buying a thing. If you can get a good deal on buying the thing, get it full up and then work out how to extend it to a 65 space nursery after that. It's the danger of really someone like an entrepreneur. Like, I think if this was went to like a corporate company, the board would look at this in a black and white fashion and go, okay, it's great location, but not big enough. End of story. Where I'm thinking, actually it ticks 7 out of 10 points, and those other 3 points that I'm not happy about, is there an entrepreneurial way of making this work? And that's what I've got to get my head around. I think what would seal the deal for me is if we can get it at a really good price, because then that would give us enough money to spend 150 grand in making it fit for purpose for our model. So I can tell you here and now, we're not going to be going and buying that particular day nursery. Number one, I really liked it because it was East London, loads of chimney pots, big tick. It's a day nursery. We've already got 9 of them, big tick. We've got a management team, big tick. We've got the systems process, big tick. We knew exactly what we need to do, but it was too small. It was empty. It would have been just a lot of work, and you don't want a 42 place day nursery. Like this is 85 spaces. You want at least 70 spaces for the numbers to stack up. I can't just go into things thinking, oh, brilliant, freehold, nice property to own. It's got to be that the numbers stack up as well. Right, let's go. This is stop number 4 today. 3 businesses here. Kids Be Happy, Rossi Ice Cream, Teddy-tastic, print my own signs. They're all my own signs, by the way, done them in-house. And I'm just going to quickly show you around all the stuff we're doing here. We make all of our cakes here, and all of our sausage rolls and bacon and cheese turnovers. Plus, in addition, all of our ice cream is made here. All of our distribution for the whole business is done here. And it's a hive of activity. There's vans coming in, vans going out, trailers going in, ice cream vans, deliveries, the whole kit caboodle. So let's go meet the team, see what they're up to. It's a bit dirty, that, so I put it in the WhatsApp group to get it cleaned. There's a little Rossi sign here, it's all cut out. Made that ourselves, printed that ourselves. Got a coffee cup here, printed out ourselves. Inside here is our bakery. Kay, come say hello on camera, just so everyone see how friendly and amazing this man is. Hi Kay. He's so lovely. And then stock everywhere. These here, sweets. One of the main reasons I bought Rossi Ice Cream was to have a brand that we could sell our own products into our own venue. So Rossi Coffee, Rossi Ice Cream, Rossi Bakery products. And eventually I want to open a chain of shops, which I'm working on at the moment. So we have not just the market stores, but we have permanent shops, our permanent leisure attractions. We use the brand to leverage. So we want Rossi Sweets, for example. That's the next thing that's coming. We even make our own slush now as well. Rossi Slush. Spend about 70 grand a year on slush, so we can make that all ourselves now. Then up here, big distribution for all of our teddy bears and toy business. And this business is going like gangbusters. Pallets of gear going out every day. Yesterday we done about £17,000 in a single day selling this stuff. So, you know, this business, which we started from scratch 5 years ago, in 6 years, doing about 2.5 million of revenue this year. I've got plans to turn this into a £20 million revenue business in its own right, employing loads of people, driving innovation. Just a real good story. There's a great team behind it, a very motivated team behind the Teddy-tastic team. If you're loving this video, you're going to love Business Masterclass. I'm running a 2-day meetup for entrepreneurs and business owners in London in September. It's going to be fantastic. I'm going to show you how to buy companies, build companies, scale companies, whatever stage you're at, whether you're at startup, scale up, or really going for it as an investor. I want to show you all the stuff I know about property investing, raising finance, and be in a room with hundreds of other entrepreneurs that are serious about growing their business. Get your tickets for this event. It's only a few £100. I'll guarantee you that you're going to have a fantastic time and get some nuggets to grow your business and turn that few £100 investment into coming along to Business Masterclass into tens of thousands for your entrepreneurial journey. Get your tickets at jamessinclairbmc.net. There's also a link in the video description, and I'll see you at Business Masterclass in London.